It's no secret that bushfires, floods and wild weather are more frequent, so protecting your home is now more important than ever. Block gutters can cause water, structural and fire damage. Getting someone to clean them can be expensive, but doing it yourself is time-consuming, hard work and dangerous. Time to get Kleva Clean Pro, the world's best telescopic gutter cleaner, so you can blast away leaves, mess and dirt quickly and easily. It's so much safer with both feet firmly planted on the ground. Simply attach to your garden hose, extend the easy reach pole and turn on the pressure tap for all the power you need for those hard to reach areas of your gutter. The secret is in the lightweight premium grade aluminium construction handle that extends nearly 2 metres long and the high velocity aquaspade nozzle that blasts away debris quickly and easily. Great for canopies, garage roofs and hard to reach places. It can even be used under wheel arches to power blast your cars and caravans.
The pressure of the gutter cleaner is amazing. You turn it up and the leaves are gone. There's no running backwards and forth to the tap. It's amazing.
It was always such a hassle to clean the gutters. Not anymore. With the gutter cleaner, it just takes minutes.
I've got some really high gutters, but this is great. I don't need to use my ladder. I can still reach them. I love it.